In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate products to Shopify. So the first step is to import our Amazon products. So if you want, you can go to apps, then go to app settings, and then from here, you just have to open the Shopify App Store. Now we just have to search for Amazon import, and then we just have to get an app from here. So we can get this one as an example. So let's click on install. And then basically what we're gonna have to do is simply add the products, and instead of the buy button, we're gonna have to basically use the same button, but instead of redirecting them to pay for the product, they're gonna get redirected to the affiliate link. So here, as you can see, we just have to paste the Amazon product. So let's go here and let's take a random one. So let's take this one. Now, when you go to the page of this product, at the top, you should see the affiliate link. So we're gonna have to copy the URL first so we can import it, and then click on import. Now click on accept and continue. And then from here, we just have to wait until this loads up. Here, as you can see, we have some settings. So here you just have to play around with the settings. We have product information that we can change, but I'm going to leave it like this. So let's click on add product. Now we just have to wait until this loads up. And then after that, we're gonna have to make some changes so they get redirected when they click on the button or on the product. So once we add the product, we're gonna find it in the product section. So we're gonna have to click on it. And then here we just have to basically change the description. And then also where it says, so as you can see, we have the inventory is not stocked. So make sure you set up the inventory. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on save, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.